God, this is the third day and I'm still having this pain. Oh, am I the only lady in this world? Eh? Let me call this nurse. There should be another alternative. I've taken warm water, I've massaged myself. What again? I've taken paracetamol. And I wonder how labor will be. Oh. There must be a way. Let me call this nurse. Yeah. Hello, Nurse G.
Hello, K1.
Yeah. Good morning. Oh, sorry, it's already afternoon. How will I even know? I haven't done anything since today. Like, I'm in so much pain. I don't understand.
Is it period pain?
Yeah, period pain. I've taken paracetamol. This is even the third day and it's still painful. Did you have any sweet food prior to your period? Like during this week or even yesterday or even when your period started? Did you take any sweet food, cold food or something like that? Those things can actually make your period more painful. Oh. No, I didn't take sweet food, so I already know my cycle, so whenever it's almost the time, I don't take sweet foods. I didn't take cold drinks. I've been drinking warm drinks, even warm water. You know, I don't know. Even like my back hurts. My lap area, that's my pelvic area, my bone, my hips. It's aching me. My lower abdomen is like it's painful. You know, and it's the third day, so I'm even worried. Why is it taking this long? You know, to still be painful. Is it really normal? Period pains are normal. It depends on, it's not called pains, it should be called cramps. So they are quite normal, but if it is too much even on this third day, then it's not right. It's not. Normally you should feel some movement, you know, and some discomfort, but it shouldn't be to the extent that you can't do things like you just told me. So I will be suggesting a supplement to you. I'm not a doctor, so nurses don't prescribe drugs. And since you have taken biogesic, or you said it's a paracetamol analgesic, okay, and it's still there, so I will suggest this supplement. Most doctors actually prescribe that, or suggest that to patients. It has been very helpful to our patients. So even though it's infection that is making your period this painful, these supplements will actually handle everything. You know, it's natural and FDA approved it, so you're safe to use it. Yes. Okay, what's that? What's the suggestion, please? So the product, this supplement, the name is Vaginne. So it's a gel. Vaginne, the complete name is Vaginne Intimate Gel. Yes. And it's used, how it is used is that it is inserted into the private area. Then it has an applicator which you can insert into your private area and release the gel into yourself. And it's easier to use rather than drinking stuffs, you know. Yes, it goes directly to the private area and resolve that pain and any other cause of it. You know, it helps to normalize the function of the reproductive system for women. Yeah, we even use it for infections, for those who have infertility problems. So it will help you. But it's not used during periods, so you have to endure this pain. You just have 2 days left for your period if your cycle is 5 days. So you will just wait, and after your period you can use it. You don't use it during period because it will just flow out with your period. You know, it will be a waste of money. Alright, you said the name is Vaginne. Is it really safe? No, it's not actually good to insert things in the private area.
You're correct. It's not good to insert things into the private.
Yeah, like, do you know, like, has there been anyone that has helped, even in the hospital there that you work? It's very, very safe. It's very, very safe. Just like I said before, it is FDA approved. And in each country where it is being, the company that owns Vaginne, each country that they have a branch, they are registered in their own health organization. Just like in Nigeria, they're registered with NAFDAC. In Philippines here, they're also registered. In other countries out there, they're all registered. So it's very safe. Yes. Oh wow, that's actually nice. I do know how much it costs. I don't have much to spend though. You know, I'm just a student. I don't have much, but how much is it, please? For the price, Vaginne is sold 20,000 naira a box. It's sold by a box. A box has 6 tubes, so you use 1 tube a day. So we recommend you buy at least 2 boxes, you know. But if you want to now buy it cheaper price, you can buy it at company price, which is 15,000 naira, and you can get 4 boxes at a time for 15,000 naira each. So that's 60k for the 4 boxes, which is cheaper. So you can make plan now. I know you're a student, so you can make plan towards the money. It will really help you. Wow, the price! Wow! The price is actually not. It's not that cheap. Well, this pain, I rather spend that money than continue to have this kind of pain. Like for even 5 days. It's a lot. Sure, I'll just make plans. I'll get it.
Alright.
Yes, since it's not even used during period, it's after when I'm not having period I should use it, right?
Yes, exactly.
Alright. Well, thank you for this information. Thank you. Bye. Have a wonderful
Alright,
day
bye.
at work. Alright, take care. Alright, I'll get back to work. So let me attend to you, because I know you don't always call me now. So you're calling me, maybe there's trouble. Alright sis, take care. Alright. Bye. Bye. Update me, okay? Update me when you're ready. I'll direct you on where to get it. You can actually get it on Facebook. I think they have some distributors on Facebook. Vaginne for all women. Yeah, it's a Facebook page. You can order from them.
Okay, I will check them out.
They deliver worldwide. Yes. Take care. Yeah, it's after menstruation. It's not now. After your period, you can use it. Alright, bye. Bye. Alright, nurse. Don't mind me. Oh. I don't want to disturb you now. You are always busy. Now you nurses are always busy. Oh, I'll update you. I hope this helps me. Thank you. I'm grateful. Bye. Hi. Now this means I need to bear this pain since I can't use it during period. It's okay. I'll try and get it though. This pain is too much. I don't know. It's too much.